Hey guys, welcome to our very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So today's price action, if you could see that the market did just open near its previous day's close and was not able to sustain at a higher level, came down, received support near its 8 days exponential moving average and was able to close slightly higher than apart from which it could have been closed near a lower level, but the 8 days exponential moving average was again proved as a good sort of support. So here you can see that 8 days of exponential moving average has been acting as a good sort of support for the market. So here you can see first, second, third, and again a fourth time this particular exponential average has been acting as a support for the market. So generally what happens is whenever the market receives support near the 8 days exponential moving average, the next day tends to be higher. However, we cannot surely say that whether the up move will sustain or not, but if the market receives support at this particular moving average level, a gap up move could have is mostly have been observed. Now let me tell you the option activity range for the Nifty. 10,000 to 11,000 is the broad option activity range for the Nifty. And if you analyze the call data, now you can see that the pain has started to kick in. As we can see that 10,650 to 10,950 strike prices has seen a call writing, a fresh call writing is continuously occurring at this particular levels. Apart from that, the lower levels right from 10,000 to 10,600 kind of level has seen the call long covering. So again, previously also we have seen this kind of position getting formed, and today also we have seen that this kind of position has continued. So solely analyzing call data suggests that the market are not sure whether the market will stay on a high side or not, and that's the only reason they have started call writing. On a lower side, they are not expecting much bounce, so that's the only reason they have covering their call long position. Now if you see the put data looks quite a bad compared to the tomorrow's data, because we can see that the more number of strike prices has seen a fresh bearish position getting created. So if you name a few, 10,000 to 10,100, 10,200 to 10,400, and 10,550 to 10,600 strike prices has seen a fresh creation of bearish position. On a higher side, 10,650 to 10,950 kind of level has seen a put short covering. So definitely market participants are expecting a volatility. They are not expecting a stable kind of move, or you will see a lot of volatility in the days to come. Fresh bearish position will most probably take the market down, and a call writing at a higher level will not help the market to sustain on a high side. So option chart data looks quite bad. So what I feel is market should go down as far as option chart data is concerned, and 10,600 should be the next logical target for the market as of now. But the good part is that we do not only analyze the option chart data, we also consider various other technical indicators in price action, so that it can guide us in taking a more accurate decision. So in spite of this data, why we have not gone short in today's trade is the reason is that because the 8 days exponential moving average has again acted as a support. So to be very specific, you see that CCI is now already trading on a plus 100 zone, but it has broken below its exponential average. So if you just see in the previous point in time, you can see that this break happens, but if the market is able to hold on to its 8 days exponential moving average, eventually market goes up. So now what we need to observe is that wait for the tomorrow's move for the market. If market trades below at this particular point of time, there will be a next leg of support near the lower level. If market trades down enough to this break this particular support, then we can definitely go short. Apart from that, if this doesn't happen, we need to wait again. Further, if you see, the MACD has already generated a bearish crossover. However, there is a support near the lower level, so we also need to wait for that support to get broke. Now RSI is already suggesting a break, but if you just see in the past, you can see that the break did get spot out on the next day. So let this particular break of the trade stay there, and then only we can take a short side, and the target could be 10,600. And if market takes on this particular target, next target could be 10,542. Okay, so that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us quickly see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So now what we are talking about is the rollover data. So most of the people have been requesting me what is the rollover and how we can understand what are the sentiments using the rollover. So rollover is nothing new. Basically it's a fresh creation of position whenever the new series is about to start. So if you see, today was a Thursday, so today was the expiry in Bank Nifty version. So all the contracts, if they have not they are not in the money, they will be zero. So what the market participants have been doing is, if they are expecting some sort of if they want to continue their position, what they will do is, suppose they are expecting a bearish move, so they will either buy put in the next series, or they will write call in a call side. Vice versa, if they are expecting a bullish move, they will write put on the next series, or they will buy call in the next side. So by observing the next series fresh creation of position, we can expect that the what is the rollover data and what it is suggesting, as the market participants have continued their expectation in the next series as well. Now if you analyze the option chart data for the Bank Nifty, let me just share the option activity range first. So 24,000 to 26,000 is the broad option activity range, and the option chart data all along looks quite bullish. So right, that is right guys, Nifty is looking bearish, but the Bank Nifty is looking bullish, because we have seen a fresh creation of bullish position in this particular in the series which is about to begin. So fresh creation of bullish position has happened near the low level of 24,800 to 25,800. So that is suggesting that the Nifty can go as high as up to 25,800 level, so which is nothing but the 2 or 300 points of up move. But participants are sure that this up move will not continue, and market will face a resistance at a high level, and that's the only reason from 20,000 or 25,800 above we are observing a call writing position in the Bank Nifty. So right till 25,800 the market participants have bought calls, and then they have started writing the calls. So as of now it looks that the market can go high, and in this particular series the market participants are expecting a level of 25,800. This is a broad level, we cannot be very sure, but this gives us a idea, or as to range as to how this market will move particularly. Now let us analyze the put data to get the things very clear. Now if you see the put data, you can see that there has been a good amount of aggressive put writing that has been happening all over the strike prices. So again it is suggesting that the market participants are expecting some sort of support near the lower levels, and that's the only reason they are continuing with their with the put writing. So when you write put, you expect market to stay where it is now, or it can go higher. So supported by put writing and a fresh creation of bullish position on a high side, what I feel is that market should not break its crucial support zone. So if you see in my previous video also, I have mentioned that 25,450 will be a good sort of support for the market. So till the time it gets broken, we can definitely not expect the Bank Nifty to go down drastically, and that is the same sentiments is being conveyed by the market participants, as they have continued their position with the put writing and a fresh buying in the next series. So remaining technical analysis is the same for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty as well. CCI, you can see that is going down. It is suggesting a tilt, but it can also go up. Since it is in a plus 100 zone, we should not expect a bearish momentum as of now. MACD is suggesting sort of tilt on a lower side, but it is yet to generate any sort of crossover. And RSI is trading in a plus 50 zone, so we should consider it as a bullish only. So for the Bank Nifty, the things look stable to bullish kind of zone, unless until it breaks 25,450 level. I don't think you should go short in a Bank Nifty. So that's it for the today's video guys. I hope you have liked the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want. If you want to get updated as soon as I update the video, don't forget to press the bell icon, which is just nearby the subscribe button. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Make sure if you have any doubt, comment, question, query, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. If you want to learn how I am generating this buy and sell signal, and and what is the system that I have been using to understand the market, you can definitely check out the video description. You will get a link there. Thank you.